Are you looking for the best pool heaters? In this video we will look at some of the best pool heaters on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. FibroPool Swimming Pool Heat Pump. This pool heater from FibroPool is powered by electricity, making it a more cost-efficient option in places where the cost of electricity is significantly lower than natural gas. This unit delivers a heat output of 55,000 TUS, which makes it suitable for in-ground pools up to 10,000 gallons, as well as above-ground pools up to 21-foot round or 15 by 30-foot oval. According to the manufacturer, this heater can heat 10,000-gallon pools to 82 degrees Fahrenheit under ideal conditions. Like any heat pump, it works best in a humid climate, ideally above 60 degrees Fahrenheit. Keep in mind that heat pumps aren't the most powerful option and, therefore, not the best choice for larger pools or colder climates. The FibroPool heat pump has many notable features that set it apart from the competition. Utilizing advanced compressors and titanium heat exchangers, it's one of the most energy-efficient options in its class. Thanks to an enamel-coated steel chassis, it can withstand all sorts of outdoor conditions, from harsh storms to intense sunlight and everything in between. The side has a digital control panel that is easy to read and offers temperature settings and monitoring. We particularly like the fact that the heater can be used with fresh and saltwater pools. Dimensions: 40 by 16 by 24 inches. Fuel type: electric. Heating capacity: 55,000 TUS. Pool type: in-ground or above ground. At number 2. Hayward HeatPro. An electric heat pump is an alternative type of pool heater that uses ambient air to heat pool water. This heater is best suited for in-ground pools that are used frequently to maintain an ideal, consistent temperature. With a 95,000 BTU output, the Hayward HeatPro can heat an average-size to large swimming pool. Thanks to a dual thermostat, you can heat your spa as well. One drawback to air source heat pumps is that they lose efficiency as the outdoor temperature drops. Since this heater is ideal for warmer climates with high humidity, it has some noteworthy features that protect it from the elements. The titanium heat exchanger and evaporator fin are highly resistant to salt water and chemical corrosion. This unit also has UV-resistant body panels and stainless steel hardware to prevent rust and deterioration. Compared with some gas pool heaters, the HeatPro series offers superior durability and quieter operation. For example, the profile fan blade is designed to improve airflow efficiency and reduce noise during operation. It also has an acoustic compressor cover to minimize the noise level. Dimensions: 40 by 31 by 43 inches. Fuel type: electric. Heating capacity: 95,000 BTU. Pool type: in-ground. At number 3. AquaCal Heat Pump. This innovative unit from AquaCal has the ability to heat and cool pools, with a huge heating capacity of 126,000 TUS. That's enough to handle pools up to about 15,000 to 20,000 gallons depending on your local climate. With the addition of a PoolSync Wi-Fi controller, you can monitor and operate it via your smartphone. We also like the fact that this versatile pump can be used in in-ground, above-ground, and saltwater pools. Our favorite thing about this pool heater is that you can adjust the heat mode and temperature settings on your phone through AquaCal's PoolSync app. You will need to purchase the PoolSync Wi-Fi controller to take advantage of that feature, but that same controller also allows you to manage any compatible ChlorSync chlorine generator for even more convenience. Although this heat pump is significantly pricier than other types of heaters, its high-quality construction justifies its steep cost. AquaCal offers a lifetime guarantee on the titanium heat exchanger, the primary component of this machine. With all that said, one potential drawback to having a pool heater this advanced is that repairs can be very expensive. We think it's well worth the extra investment, though, with superior performance compared to the traditional copper or cupronickel materials used on mid-level models. This heater is enclosed in a corrosion-proof cabinet, and it has an exclusive integrated top that protects the internal components from debris, leaves, and other vegetation that could get inside and cause damage. We're also impressed by how quiet this heat pump is during operation. Operating at 55 decibels, comparable to the sound made by a household refrigerator, the AquaCal heat pump is one of the quietest options on this list, giving you plenty of undisturbed pool time. Point 2. Dimensions: 34 by 34 by 44 inches. Fuel type: electric. Heating capacity: 126,000 TUS. Pool type: in-ground, above-ground and saltwater. At number 4. Smart Pool S601 Pool Solar Heaters. This solar pool heating system from Smart Pool is a cost-effective and eco-friendly solution for warming up in-ground pools. It consists of 2 durable polypropylene panels, each measuring 20 feet long by 4 feet wide, providing a total coverage area of 80 square feet. This system hooks up to your pool's pump, pushing water through the panel's tubes. The water in the tubes is warmed by the sun before it's recirculated back to the pool. Smart Pool says that this set is enough to heat a 12 by 24 foot pool with full sun exposure, but you can connect multiple sets together for larger pools. Keep in mind that you will need to have adequate space to roll these panels out. You can lay them out on the ground and connect them to your poop pump using the WWSK21 installation kit, and you also have the option to mount them on your roof using the SK43 roof mounting kit. According to the manufacturer, this system can increase pool temperatures by as much as 15 degrees Fahrenheit. Like any solar pool heater, these panels require ample sunlight and won't be as effective on cloudy days. Dimensions: 2 panels, each measuring 4 feet wide x 20 feet long. Fuel type: not applicable. Heating capacity: not applicable. Pool type: in-ground. At number 5. Ecosmart US Smart Pool Tankless Pool Heater. Pool heaters can be bulky and take up a lot of space, but this model from Ecosmart offers a tankless and streamlined design to free up your yard. This heater is equipped with a digital thermostat, which you can set to your desired temperature in 1-degree increments. Instead of a traditional pressure switch, this heater uses flow sensor technology to reduce the risk of burned elements, increasing its reliability. Ecosmart pool heaters can be used as an alternative to a heat pump or used in conjunction with one as a booster. This unit is compatible with above and in-ground pools with up to 15,000 gallons of water. Please note that this is not recommended for spas, however. If you have a small pool or spa, the Ecosmart Smart 11 is a better option. One drawback to a tankless model is that it has limited heating power. It takes 1 hour to raise the temperature by 1 to 1.5 degrees, so it could take more than 24 hours to increase the temperature of a large pool by 20 degrees. It's also prone to internal corrosion, so it's important to keep an eye on it for leaks. Dimensions: 6 by 14 by 17 inches. Fuel type: electric. Heating capacity: not listed. Pool type: above or in-ground.